Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set a custom screen recording resolution and bitrate in Realme 14x phone. While we are recording our screen, we can change some options for it. So first settings, then we need to go to accessibility and convenience. Next we need to scroll down to screen recording. And here we have our options. So in the picture section, we have a definition, we have frame rate, and a lot of other options. So we are interested in definition. So we want to change our screen resolution and bitrate. So the easiest way to do it is to select a preset, but we also have the option to set a custom one. So we can have 480 resolution and higher bitrate if we want to, or vice versa. That's all.